हेलो स्टूडेंट, अभी आपने देखा कि मैंने पहले वीडियो में अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के बारे में बताया कि अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन क्या है। अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में आप कैसे चेक करते हो कि एपी में है कि नहीं, और साथ साथ मैंने ये भी बता दिया था कि अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का nth टर्म या जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एपी क्या होता है। तो उसको ज़रा सा ध्यान रखिए कि nth टर्म ऑफ एपी सेकेंड चैप्टर में, सेकेंड वीडियो में, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू nth टर्म ऑफ एपी। वी नो that first term of an AP is a common difference is D. According to definition of AP, it is a list of number in which we obtain the numbers by adding a fixed number in a previous number, and the starting number can be any number that is denoted by A. So the first term that is A, second term according to definition we get the another term by adding the common difference in the first term. So you will get A plus B, and the third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D, and in this way you can find each and every term. What is pattern here? You look here in first term A plus 1 minus 1, and the second term A plus 2 minus 1D, in third term A plus 3 minus 1D, in fourth term A plus 4 minus 1D. In this way you can find rth term, that is A plus R minus 1D, nth term that will be A plus n minus 1D, that is denoted by an. This is the nth term of AP. Nth term of AP is starting from A and having common difference D. So you can say the nth term of AP, an is equal to, now an is equal to, look here, an. Nth term of AP, an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Look here, if we start from last, suppose we start from last, then what will be the nth term? You can look here, you can find A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, that is n. Now, if you want to find from last, then what will be the nth term from last? By subtracting, you can look here. One you will subtract D. After subtracting, you will get A. So, if you start from last, then nth term from last term, that is an is equal to L plus n minus, to add the place of D, there will be minus D because we are subtracting here. So L minus n minus 1 into D, that is nth term of an AP from last. If you will start from last, then nth term of AP will be like this. From this topic you can solve exercise 5.2. So come on exercise 5.2, and only these two formula is related to exercise 5.2. Now look here, you have to find the question number 1. The fourth thing is there. In this formula you can see here there is 4 things. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The first thing is an, second A, n, D. there are 4 terms in this formula. If 3 terms is given, then you can find the 4th term. The question number 1 is related to this. A, D and AN. 4th table is given. You have to find the missing one. You can see here the table. Question 1 part first. A, D, N, AN. 4th thing is given. In part first, 7, 3, 8, you have to find this. In part second, minus 18, you have to find this. Then 0, part third, you have to find this. Minus 3, 18, minus 5, part fourth, minus 18.9, 2.5, this 3.6, and part fifth. You can see each and every part. Part fifth, 3.5, 0, 10.5 and that. Now look here. This table is given. You have to find the missing one. In the first one, the missing one is the first one. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into t. What is A n? You have to find. A is given 7 plus n is given 8 minus 1 is 3. 7 plus 21, that is 28. So the first one is very simple. And the second part, look here the second part. Second part is also very simple. A plus n minus 1 in D. What is given? A. An 0, A minus 18 plus D is not given, N is given 10 minus 1 into D. So you will transfer here 18 is equal to 9D, D is equal to 2. Second one. Now look here, third one. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and in third one An is minus 5. A is not given. N is given 18 minus 1 D is minus 3. So you can find minus 5 is equal to A minus 51. So A is equal to minus 5 plus 51. This implies A is equal to 46. So in this way you can find the next two. Next two you will do. It's very simple to find the another question. Now come on question number 2. Look here, question number 2 is there. Check, choose the correct choice in the given 30th term of AP. AP is given. You have to find the, come on question number 2. You have to find the 30th term of AP. The A30 you have to find. Question 2. What is given? AP is given 10, 7, 4. A is 10, D is 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. N is 30, you have find A and. So A30 is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D. A is given 30 plus 29 into D is minus 3. So A30 10 plus, that is 3 minus 87. So A30 is equal to minus 77. So you can see here the second one. Clear? So now you can look here the third question. What is given in third question? What is given in third question? 11, second part, you have find 11 term of AP. 11 term of AP in the second part. Second part, look here. Second part of this question. Second part is given AP -3 -1 by 2 2, and you have find A11. A -3D -1 by 2 plus 3 5 by 2. A11 you have find A plus 11 minus 1 into D. A plus 10D. A is given -3 plus 10 into 5 by 2, that is -3 plus 25. A11 is equal to 22. So you can find here the second part. Question number 2, you have to find the missing one. So missing one you can solve it. Come on, question number 3. Now look here, question number 3. Question number 3, some point is not given, find missing one. Question number 3, 2 26. A is 2. AN is 26. Yan is 2. You have to find A2. So A1, A2, A3. A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. What is not given? D is not given. A2, A3, sorry, A, you have to find A2, find A2, A3 is 26, so A3, 26, A3 is 3 minus 1 into D, 26. A is given 2 plus 2D, 24 is equal to 2D, so D is equal to 12. So you can find A2, A plus 1D, 2 plus 1 into 12, 2 plus 12, that is 14. So A2 is equal to 14, that is, you can find 14. So in this way you can find all these. Now question number 4, you will solve question number 3 all part. I will show part 4 also. Look here, part 4 also, question number 3 part 4. Question number 3 part 4. Question 3 part 4. What is given in part 4? -4, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. A is given, A1 is equal to A -4, A6 is given 6. You have to find, first find D. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. A6 is C minus 4 plus 5D. D is equal to 10 upon 5. D is equal to 2. So you can find A2. A2 means A1 plus D2, that is A1 is minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. A3, A2 plus D minus 2 plus 2, 0. A4, A3 plus D, A3 is given 0 plus 2, 2. A5, A4 plus D, 2 plus 2, that is 4. So missing term you can find. Look here, the missing term is A2, 2, A3, 0, A4, 2, A5, 4. So you can write -2, 0, 2 and 4. Now come on, question number 4. Look here, question number 4. You will solve all the rest part of the question number 3. Question 4 is here. Which term of AP is 78? Which term is left? nth term be 78. So an is equal to 78. AP is given 318, 3, 8, 13, 18. A 3, D 8 minus 3, 5, and find an 78. 4 things, 3 things is given. You have to find an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An 78. A is 3 plus n minus 1 and d is 5. 75 upon 5, n minus 1, n minus 1, 15, n is equal to 16. So in this way, by using all these things, you can solve all these questions. In the next video, I will solve the rest one. Have a nice day, be safe, stay at home. Thank you.